Welcome to Train Signal. You're watching a lesson on random access memory, or what we could simplify by just saying RAM, right? R-A-M, RAM. And some people will simplify it even further by just saying memory. Now, the concern I have with saying memory is, well, there's different types of memory in a computer system, and so it can get confusing. But more often than not, if somebody just says, how much memory does your computer have? They're talking about how much RAM you have in your computer. Now, I will tell you that RAM is another one of these vitally important components, pretty much a mandatory component in order to make a computer function. Okay, so we've previously learned that we have a motherboard, which is like the heart, and we have the processor, which is like the brains. Okay, so now we have memory, and I don't know what I would analogize this to. It's probably a component of the brain, I suppose. I don't know, but it is something that pretty much is required to make a computer work these days.